Hi, I'm Jo. In this video, I'd like to talk to you about model answers for speaking and writing on our site. From our homepage, click on Get to Know IELTS, and then look at writing or speaking to access the model answers. For speaking, you can look at model answers for each part of the test, and you can compare different band scores. You can see a video of the student's response, and you can read the examiner's comments also. For writing, you can also choose to look at model answers. You can choose to look at different types of writing. Here we have academic, so you can choose different types of academic task 1, or you can choose different essay types for task 2. If we click on this essay, you can see that you have a comparison of band scores for bands 5 and 6, followed by 6 and 7, 7 and 8, and 8 and 9. For each one, you can choose to look at different marking criteria, and you can click to read comments that compare the answers and help you to see why each one is different and why each one has a higher or lower score. As well as inside Get to Know IELTS, you can also access writing model answers from your results and feedback. For any writing practice that you have done, you can click View. You can look at your own response, and you can also check the model answers here. Again, you can look at each different band, and you can look at each different marking criteria and compare the responses. It's a good thing to do, especially if you're getting very close to your test. It can really help you to see what the difference is between the bands and what you need to do to get the score that you need on your test day.